faster, safer, cleaner. That's our Performance 3 promise, and our final recommendation supports all three benefits. Implementing GMA Garnet, which was recommendation number 8, as your abrasive will proactively mitigate most of the nuisance dust that often clouds a blaster's field of vision. Using dusty abrasives, which makes it difficult to see, is not only dangerous, but it also slows down productivity and coats the job site in a thin layer of dust. Inside storage tanks, pen stocks, or ship hulls, the situation becomes even more serious as sunlight is all but eliminated. On job sites where natural sunlight is reduced or absent, the need for maximum lighting becomes critical. Simply duct taping a flashlight to the end of your nozzle is amateur at best. Implementing maximum lighting without even discussing needs like explosion-proof lighting or UV lighting creates a safer job site, period. Being able to see the work surface as well as the greater job site requires multiple lights. Our minimum recommendation is to have an LED nozzle light for each blaster and at least one high-powered brick LED light to illuminate the general job site. And we have no better lighting manufacturer to recommend than Western Technology, who also produces portable, explosion-proof UV and body lights. The clearer and broader one's field of vision, the more confidently and rapidly a blaster can negotiate their work environment. Improved lighting maximizes both qualities of visual clarity and scope.
So I'd like to talk about workplace lighting for blasting. Don't just rely on the nozzle light. Some people even try and just see by the sparks. It's pretty inefficient. The nozzle light definitely helps, but you can only see exactly where you're pointing, so you can't see where you've been or where you're going. So an area light will light up the area so the blaster can see where he's going, can be thinking and planning ahead to optimize where he's going to blast, but it also means it saves rework. It saves him overblasting as well, because he may slow down just to make sure that he doesn't have to rework, so he's overblasting. But then there's areas he might miss because of the poor lighting, and you'll have to come back in, set up again, re-blast, re-clean up again, and so on. So good lighting in your blasting area is really, really critical for optimum efficiency.
It's now time for the real work to begin, the work you're actually getting paid for. Our final recommendation is to give your blasters a final boost by providing optimal lighting so they can safely and quickly and thoroughly complete the project, and in doing so, bring home those profits. If you have questions or an interest in upgrading to any of the equipment recommended, reach out to Blast One online or give us a call. Blast One is forever committed to superior performance, which is always faster, safer, cleaner. And we hope our Performance 3 strategy lifts your performance to new levels. Thank you for taking the time to watch this series.